Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a romance logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the romance logo options. Here just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, click to the text box and tap to the edit button. And new, go to the keyboard icon, delete this text, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section, you can select another font type, and if you want to change the style of your the color of your text, click to the color section and just select another color. If you want to add the graphic elements or photos to your project, go to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, select a color, and new you can draw on your project. And in the brush section you can find the different object and elements, and just select one, for example the hearts, and new you can add this to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.